Hi everyone, I'm going to introduce our project QuickCatch. QuickCatch is an AI-powered personalized player tracker and performance analyzer. First, let's meet our team. This is a girls group. Lena is our developer, and Anne is a UI and UX designer, and me is a product manager and also UX designer. So, what's the problem and what's this our inspiration? So this is basically comes from my personal experience. I play hockey and I'm an NHL fan, but I always feel I do not have time to watch the videos on a YouTube channel and keep up to date. So same, Alex is a busy NHL fan and he loves Edmund Oilers and Connor McDavid, but he's so busy he struggles to keep up with all the game highlights and status. So we made a solution for him. Basically, he just needs to select his favorite team and player on our website, and as long as there's new and relevant videos public on the YouTube channel, we'll grab and analyze it and generate a script and send it to his email instantly. So he will get all the game highlights, status, and his favorite player's performance without need to watch the whole video. So how did we build it? First, we needed to find a problem, and then we came up with this AI-driven solution to automate and personalize the process of tracking players and teams. And this is a user flow I just said about user select teams and players, and our backend will detect and capture the newest videos and send to the AI, and AI analyze the video content and generate a script, and we will send it to the user's email instantly so that the user will get the newest and the good information about the game and their players. For our tech part, we use a React and Tailwind to build a front end, and the back end is powered by Node.js. And we use some tools like YouTube to detect, grab, and download videos, and FFmpeg to process the videos, and also some Python scripts for analysis. And for AI and automation part, we mainly use Perplexity and also Python for processing and interacting with the video data. Now, we use Node Mailer that delivers these personalized reports to our users. Okay, let's see a quick demo of our website. So first, you need to sign up and sign in. If you're a new user, you will get into this onboarding process. For example, you need to find your teams firstly. You can skip or you can select your teams and continue. And then your favorite player. And you can also search their name on our search bar. So the last step is you will get what you will receive. It's like a template. You will know what you will get from your email address. And you can click this link in your email to see the exact video on a YouTube. So this is our homepage. The left part is the overview of the newest videos that we will send to your email, and then your teams and players. You can click the card to say the NHL page about your players and about the team. And this is the citing page. You can recite your preferences like your team, your player, and also update your email and turn on and turn off the email notifications. So this is a simple prototype of our QuickCatch. So what's for next? In the next step, we want to add more data visualization in our report. And also we want the user can customize the notification, like what they want to get from this email. And then we want to enlarge the scope from the NHL to other sports. So this is basically we built in the last 36 hours. And thank you for listening. Have a good day.